welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. Again, you all, it's training products time, you all. Time is flying. Before you know it, it's going to be Christmas. I'm also here to share a few things that I purchased on my own, and I will let you know. So with that being said, you all, I need for you to click on my subscribe button because it really helps out my channel. That being said, you all, we gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. I got my, I think this is my October's training products. I am a little late because I was sick with the flu. Better late than never. So I'm going to, black bags are actual training products from Sephora. I'm gonna just pull things out. Sometimes you can get a bag full of stuff. Sometimes you can get one or two things, and sometimes you can get just a few. Hey, I just have a few. Makes it even better when you get the bonus training products from the brand reps. For us, the Lancome foundation. This here is 45W. Hopefully it works. Then moving on to my next item. This is by Shiseido. This here is a eye cream. So it's just like this here little cream milk. This is by Milk Makeup. This here is a eyeliner. This is a pencil. Yeah, this is a pencil eyeliner. I do like to wear black in my waterline. I'm trying to venture out in different colors, but for right now I like to wear black. So we did get that. I tell you, I have so many hair and oh, this one is just the hair. These here are the gummies with hair benefits. I think I may start taking these because my hair cut and blown out. The front of my hair was like really thin, and I didn't realize how thin it was because I haven't had my hair done in so long. I may start taking these just to see if they will work with bringing back my hair in the front. This hair Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. This is a brightening concealer, Deep Sienna. So hopefully again that works for me. Conditioner. I want to see if this is white. Okay, so it's just like a little brush that, you know, I have to probably read up on this because I'm not too sure how you use it. I think you put it like on your lash line, I think. So that was everything that came in the black bag. So this is the stuff that we got from, like I said, brand reps. And I was so excited for this here Fenty Fat Water. I did run out of my Paula's Choice, you all. Y'all know I swear by Paula's Choice. I'm looking to repurchase that. So in the meantime, I was like, let me just try this out before I repurchase Paula's Choice. Because, you know, with me working at Sephora, I get to try different things. So even though I love Paula's Choice, I want to try out other things. So if I see that these here are not working for me, I'll go back to what's, you know, what I love, and that's Paula's Choice. They give us these training products for us to use so we can educate clients on these hair products. So that's why I don't want to stick with just Paula's Choice. So I will try out this hair Fat Water and see if I get the same results. It is a pore refining toner. So yeah, this has like the little twist, and the product come from the top. Is the pre-wash scalp oil. To try something like this because I never used a pre-wash scalp oil. So again, I will read up on this. It says massaging to scalp 15 minutes before washing for shine, healthier looking strands. So it says to massage into your scalp and rub it through your hair for 15 minutes and then you wash. So yeah, I can't wait to use this, but I was excited for this. This here is by Vegamore. If I didn't mention, this here is by JVN. This is what I'm excited about because this here is an actual growth serum. I am looking to use this like in my, like in the front areas of my hair, and I did get a full size. I think she said 30 days. This is a 30-day bottle. I do have the gummies, you all, and I do love the gummies because we were able to try them. And not only are they good, they come in like this cute pink, like this color pink glass jar. It's so cute. I'm thinking of just getting the gummies because of the jar, and of course taking them because I did hear good things about this particular brand. I cannot wait to try this out. Again, I will have to read up on how to use this. So moving on to my Ole Hendrickson. I love Ole Hendrickson. I do have the face scrub face wash. This here is a banana bright face primer. Here is a face primer. I love face primers because when I apply my makeup, I like to put something good primer on my face. Right now I am using the new Milk primer, and I do like that so far, so I cannot wait to review on these products. I'll probably use this primer along with the foundation, and at least I did get this before, but of course it doesn't help to have more. This here is by Vegamore. This here is the shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, I cannot wait to try these things out. It's everything I got from Sephora. So these are the things that I bought. If y'all don't know, I just have a thing for makeup. I'm trying to branch out into other things like skincare, fragrance and things like that, because it's like, how much makeup can you possibly have? But working at Sephora, you all, there's just so many new things that come out. So with that being said, in the fragrance area, this came out. Never purchased one of these because I'm like content with my little sample drawer. When I tell you I have a whole lot of samples I usually use, because I like to switch up my perfumes. I'm not that person that would just stick with one. So like today I could wear one, and next I could wear another, and so forth and so forth. I saw this particular item, I was like, well, let me get this, because the reason why I brought this was because of the fact that they had the actual bottle size. And Sephora did they favors. This is how they used to come, like in these cute little mini fragrance. Now some of them come in like the little clear vials where you know, where it's like the little sample vials, and you get like a few of them in the box, and then you take the voucher and you go trade it in to get you a full size. I didn't know, y'all probably have already known, but I didn't know that with the voucher, like say if the voucher is for a 1 ounce, you can pay the difference to get a bigger size. I didn't know that, so just a little FYI. To me, are like one of the best Christmas, birthdays, whatever type of gift you looking to give someone, because I like the fact that you get all of these cuties. Not only are they cute, you can display this like in your little perfume area, because I do have a display of all mini perfumes and deluxe sizes. This one, it wasn't a lot of scents that blew me away, I'm gonna be completely honest. I bought this for the little small deluxe sizes, and I was giving my daughter the voucher for her to get a full size. Out all of them, she didn't like them, and I'm like, really, Jemiah? None? She was like, no. Now the Prada Candy I did like when it first came out, but you know, Prada, it's just old to me. I like it, but it's not enough to get a full size. She didn't like anything. I ended up getting a Versace. I felt like that one smelled okay, Versace and Valentino, but I ended up liking the Versace better. They didn't have the Versace, I probably would have gotten the Valentino. I didn't care for the Julia Has a Gun too much, because I like sweet smells. I do like other scents, but I'm more so a sweet fruity smell. She was the one I went for. I did already redeem my voucher, because if you purchase this at Sephora, you can actually open your set and pull out the voucher and use it that same day. Like, you don't have to wait. If you wanted to know before and buy this and like, okay, I already know what I want, just open the box, pull out the voucher after you purchase the set, and then you can redeem. Like, you can't redeem the voucher at the same time you purchase the set, if you get what I'm saying. Like, you have to purchase this first, then complete that transaction, and then come back and be like, here's my voucher, within the same day, but just not within the same transaction. So we have the Caroline Herrera. That one smelled okay. I think I liked other scent from this particular brand, but it wasn't included in this here set. This here, like I said, is a great gift. If you see this, run and grab it. Just saying, because this here is a good buy. If I didn't mention, it retails for $80 over. I'm not sure if they're going to have another sale anytime soon. You can't catch this on sale. To me, it's still worth it. Perfumes, depending on which one you get, it's not all the same size. Versace was a 1.7 fluid ounce. The Prada was a 0.21 fluid ounce. So I guess it really depends. And I think the Versace, the reason why I picked the Versace too was because the Versace was the biggest one out of all. Other scents were like 1.0, 0.2 fluid ounce. So they sound small, so I didn't get the other scents. And they do have other ones, so since I like that concept, I may go and purchase the other ones. Now keep in mind the other ones don't have the actual little mini perfumes, but I'm trying to expand my perfume collection to buy like the real big bottles, because like I said, I switch out too much to, you know, invest in big bottles. My next item, this is what I am wearing on my lips. When I tell you I love anything Pat McGrath, now we don't carry Pat McGrath in our location, but Lenox Mall do. This here on our end caps, you know, like the minis and more. It came with this here lip gloss, lip liner, and little lipstick. With this lip liner is too light to line around my lips, so what I do is I add in the Sephora lip liner in 17. I line my lips with this one. I'll take this, fill my lips in, because like I said, it's a little too light. I'll swatch it to show you. It's a little too light to go around my lip line. I'll fill my lips in with this. I'll go in with this particular lip color and put this all over the lip, and then I top it off with this hair lip gloss. And oh my gosh, you all, it's like the best lip combo ever. But like I said, if you're my skin tone or darker, I do highly recommend you getting the Sephora number 17. When I tell you I love, love, love. My next item and the last item of this here haul is the lip treatment oil. I did get this from Hourglass. Now it is a little pricey, you all. I love lips. I love anything lip. So when I saw this here little doodad, I was like, okay, I have to get it, because my hand, and it was like real glossy and juicy, and I was like, okay, I have to get this. Somebody was saying they had mentioned this on TikTok or something. I'm not sure about the TikTok part, because I don't really watch what's trending on TikTok. You know, what made you want to get this? She was like, it was something on TikTok. So I was like, let me go over there and see. I tried it. I was like, oh, I like this. It's like a unique applicator down, like when you put it on your lips. I don't want to use it because I don't want to stain it with what I have on, but this is like a really cute clear gloss, and the packaging is also cute. It's not heavy, like metal heavy, but it's not plastic and cheap, if you get what I'm saying. But it's just like a really clear, nice clear gloss. So that was everything, you all. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this here Sephora video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.